Right here on my screen is a payment proof of 20.16 USDT, and guess what? I got this particular payment for free. I'm not lying, I got it for free, and I'm gonna show it to you guys in this video today. Another one is this particular 8.35 USDT withdrawal, and I got it for free. I also got a payment of 8.9.8 USDT, which is a thematic network, and it's also for free. So, and this particular update have been giving me many amounts of USDT, guys. Sometimes I got below $1, sometimes I get up to $1 each time I place withdrawal on this particular platform, and the platform have helped me to earn a lot of USDT on my Binance account. And the platform is none other one apart from Catly, guys. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Catly, the free version of it and the paid version of it. First of all, let's talk about the paid version of it. Catly is a meme token platform where you buy their meme token and keep it. Buy the pre-sale now that the pre-sale is still going on, and sell it when the pre-sale is done. And if you go over to their token side, you will see it. So let's scroll down and see how many pieces of the pre-sale is still being done, as you can see right here. So if you look at it over here, it says in the pre-sale price, the price of it is 0.004 piece of it, 0.004 per Catly. 0.004 USDT is equal to 1 Catly. So that means listing price is going to be 0.006, and buyback it gets. And one thing about this particular platform is that you can still sell your pre-sale if you want to sell it. It's either you buy it and keep, or you buy and sell off. And as you can see over here, they says that they kept 2.1 trillion pieces of the token to be sold as pre-sale, and as you can see so far, they have already sold 29.03% of it has been sold as pre-sale. So that means it is in their white paper. You can check it. It's in their roadmap. You can check it over here. Bringing investment partner, website launch in staking, and other things. So, but if you want to make money with the token, what you have to do is to buy and stake to be yielding you more of it. So once you are done staking and maybe you want to sell off and withdraw your money, you can still sell it off. And that is why Catly remains one of the best meme token project that have ever come out. And one thing about it is that you can start out with any single amount of it. And as you can see, I'm currently holding and staking 24,557 pieces of this token, and every day I got since I'm staking it, every day I got 3% of whatever I'm staking. I'm staking $100 worth of the token right here. I just deposited and I'm staking it. I've been staking it for some days now. If you go over to my history on the staking side, you will see it where I'm showing it to you guys now. Let me go over to my details. You see that it has been 3 days since I started staking this particular thing. So what you have to do is very simple. Go over to your account, follow the link in the description of this video, sign up with your Binance wallet address. You need a Binance account for this. You cannot do it without a Binance account, guys. You need a Binance account for this. So once you're done doing it, sign up with your Binance account, and the next thing is to impute your Binance wallet, Binance Smart Chain Network USDT wallet address, where they will ask you to impute the wallet address. So once you're done doing it, they are gonna send you a little amount of USDT. Let me show it to you guys for you to get to see what I'm saying. Look at it. This is the kind of USDT that they are going to send you. This particular amount of USDT is kind of a verification code to make sure that this is your Binance verified account. So what you have to do is to, if you don't have a Binance account, follow the link in the description of this video, sign up, do your KYC. It's very simple. Verify your account using your BVN number or your national ID card or your NIN slip, anything at all that you can use to verify your account. Use it and verify the account, and impute your USDT Binance Smart Chain Network wallet address, and they're going to send you this kind of USDT, and then copy this exact amount given to you and paste it where they will ask you about it. That is a verification code to show that your account is legit. So once you're done with it, they're going to reward you with 500 Catly, which you will stake. That is where the free side of it is. That is the airdrop side. They're gonna reward you with 500 pieces of Catly, which you can easily go ahead on this particular place that says stake. Click on stake over here, and you are going to enter the amount which was given to you as a sign-up bonus. So you stake it, and it will be giving you 3% of it every day. And guess what? You can still withdraw from it for free. so you can still do anything for free on it. It depends on you to invest. Now that after this 500 catalyst taking, this is where the real making money side of it comes from. If you, in case you want to be making money just like I'm doing, that is when staking comes to play. So what you have to do is to go ahead and make sure that you buy their buyback and then stake it, getting 3% of it every single day. Just imagine getting 3% of $100 every single day. You can imagine how much it's going to be, and that is what I'm actually doing. I use $100 to start it, and you can easily use around $1, from $1 to $10 to any amount of USDT you can use to start making money with it. All you have to do is to click on this particular place that says buy Catly, and it's going to give you the wallet address, which you will copy, send Binance Smart Chain Network USDT to it, and once you are done with it, within some 2 minutes, click on payment confirm, and once you are done with it, they are going to show you that you have successfully bought the Catly. Then next thing you have to do is to go ahead and stake it. So what you have to do is to click on stake over here and then enter the amount which you have available, depending on the amount of Catly you bought, depending on the amount of USDT you send. Stake it and start. Once you are done staking it, automatically every single day it will be giving you 3% of your reward, and you will be selling it back to back. So for me, I'm going to do a live withdrawal to end this video. If you have any information, if you have any question, if you have anything, don't hesitate to come to my comment section and ask me. So what I have to do now is to go over to this particular place, and this is how you will be selling your Catly. It will be sent to you direct to your Binance account. So what I have to do now is to click on sell Catly and enter the amount. Minimum sellout is 60 Catly, so that means you need to have 60 Catly minimum to start selling. So for me, I'm currently having 725.544, and that is the amount I'm going to sell right now. So what I have to do is to enter the amount that I have, 725.544 Catly, and it's going to give me 2.4185 USDT. So what I have to do now is to click on sell now, and as you can see, the sale have been successful for me. So as you can see, it's currently pending. So I'm going to wait for it to land on my Binance account to continue the video. And just in case this is your first time coming to my channel, all I need from you is just subscribe to the channel and turn on notification like this. Click on subscribe button like this, and then make sure you turn on the bell icon just like this. Turn on the bell icon, click on all over here, and you will be get notified whenever I drop any good updates like this. And also you try and check out this particular airdrop that I just dropped some hours ago. So the next thing is to also drop a like and give me a nice comment, or a comment depending on whatever you feel like on any update that I drop. Please, I need you guys engagement on my page, my YouTube channel, to help my channel grow. So that is it for now. And here on my Binance account, you can see that the deposits of 2.411999 USDT have been still confirming on my Binance account. And you guys know this is Matic network. It takes a bit time, some minutes to confirm, and I don't have much time to wait. So that's why I'm completing the video showing you guys the deposit is already confirming. That means it's already there on my account. Before the end of the day, the deposit is going to be confirmed on my Binance account. So that is just it. And I hope you guys got value from it. Don't mess with Catly. Don't play with Catly. Do your best. Invest any amount of your choice, be it $1, be it $2, $3, $4, 10, 100, any amount, to be earning 3% of it daily. It's not bad. It's not bad. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from it, and please don't forget to drop a like. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and subscribe for more updates. And as for now, see you guys in my next video. Bye.